welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, as you can tell, my hair is messy, so I am making a video on how to do a messy bun. So if you're interested in that, you can keep on watching. Have you ever just woken up and you just thought, I do not want to deal with my hair today? Is it day 4 hair, almost going to a week, and maybe I can throw in more dry shampoo and just hold on for dear life? Or is it just, I don't want to wash my hair, it is way too long and way too much to deal with? Or is it just, I don't even want to style it today, it's just a messy bun day? If that sounds like all of the above or one of them, then hopefully this video helps you out and you can get on about your day a lot quicker. So there's no right or wrong way to do a messy bun. You can honestly do your own style to it and just have fun with it. It's not meant to be perfect, hence why it's called a messy bun, but this is how I do my messy buns. So what you're gonna need first is Invisibobbles. That's what I like to use. It comes in a pack of 3. I only need either 1 or 2. And you can also add in some bobby pins if you have any loose flyaways and some hairspray. But without further ado, let's get started.
But that's all you wanna play. I know that you miss me, 'cause if we don't talk for a while, you always hit me. You don't wanna remember how I rocked your world. Remember how I was your favorite. You don't gotta lie to kick it. I know I'm your favorite girl. Boy, you know that I am with it. Just tell me I'm your favorite girl. Just that simple, I love you. Just that simple, I love you. Just tell me I'm your favorite.
Well, I hope everyone enjoyed that video, and that is how I do my messy bun. Hopefully that was easy to follow along with. The last option was hairspray, and sometimes I don't even use hairspray because I don't like products in my hair that feel sticky. But I am actually amazed with that Oligo hairspray because it was not sticky at all to the touch after, and usually I hate that feeling of hairspray. So good job, Oligo. Keep up the good work. That last part where I put the bobby pins at the back of my head, It's for mostly when if you have that bump that happens and the hair is just kind of falling throughout the day. So what I like to do is just put the bobby pins there and make an X, but I just kind of did it in a diagonal one on top of the other today just because that's just how it worked out. But hopefully you guys have a good rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!